Hey everybody, it's Matt. About to hike the Bright Angel Trail down to Indian Gardens. Come along with me. Let's see what we can do and see all the cool things we can see. Here we go down the Bright Angel Trail. Very well manicured. A lot of mule excrement, but really beautiful. We started early in the morning. You can see how they cut out the rock to make the trail, and I believe that you can still see the holes where they drilled for the dynamite. So you can see a hole right there still, and a couple holes right there. Point taken. So this is fun. You can see the petroglyphs about a quarter of a mile in. Something to stop and look at. Another warning to heed here is the make sure you bring enough water, and otherwise you'll be that guy right there. And so one thing I sort of worried about a little bit was falling rocks, but you know, there's so much brush and stuff to stop rocks. It seems like it cuts down on the possibility of them coming down, but I'm sure that a big boulder, none of this would hold. But check out these trees growing right out of the rocks. It's amazing that those roots can even find a footing or little cracks through the rocks to grow in. But I mean, this thing has been here for a very long time. So here's the 1.5 mile rest house, and it has the view of the canyon, and there are restrooms out there. This is a good day hike stopping location, but just mind the water. If you don't have enough water, you could put yourself in a pickle. And look at this, no water. Water is off. Check online to see if the water's on. Here's 3 Mile Rest House. Well, here it is. We finally made it. So something nice is they have restrooms here. Yeah, nice view from there too. Here's our campground, the group campground. All I had to do is set up my tent over here, clear the leaves, clear the rocks, make sure my head is uphill, and make sure you're not under a widowmaker, which is a dead branch, so you wake up in the morning. Uninvited guests to our campsite here. Show me your permit. Woke up this morning, and it was pretty chilly last night, so I guess I can say just make sure you bring enough layers, and make sure your sleeping bag is rated for the temperature, and it's always good to bring an extra layer. Anyways, we're gonna go hike out to Plateau Point and see what that's like. I will find out. Off to Plateau Point. I think it's about around 1.8 miles, but we're gonna follow this trail out there, and we're looking forward to getting in the sun and warming up. As you're walking this way, it's really exposed to the sun here, so watch out. Make sure you dress properly. Bring some sunscreen. and views are unbelievable. Here we are. Check it out. Wow, there are a lot of fossilized footprints or something here. Wow. Wow. Hear the river down there. Absolutely worth the trek. Just stunning, unreal. What's a trip without a quick hit of ramen noodles?
It should have been a video. And see distances, but
So ramen at Plateau Point was a great idea. If you're down here, definitely make your way out here. It's 100% worth it. Even if you're tired, just get up and walk. Not too far. See you back at the campground. Off we go. What a beautiful walk back. All the leaves are in their height as far as their colors go, with the stream running. Absolutely worth coming at this time of year for. We're having a lot of fun here. Here's a stick. Let's see if we can get rid of him. He's running to take our food. Oh, no, there we go. This is why they tell you to lock up your food. I'm just a couple feet from him and trying to get him to go away. All right, ready? Go, go, go. Go, go. Go, 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 go. I don't know how to say go in chicken or squirrel, whatever it is. Tonight's dinner is hatch green chili mac and cheese. I'll let you know how it goes. So I finished the mac and cheese, and as you can see, I didn't like it at all. Note to self, make sure you mix it up really good, because I got a big spoonful of spices, and it was spicy. But really good, I recommend it. One thing that has really helped on these trips is coffee. I use this little coffee maker here, and you just boil water and pour it over, and then put it in here. If it gets cold, then you just put it back on your little stove and heat it back up, and man, it's almost as good as just being in your living room. Even better in a way. All right, packed up and ready to roll. Great experience here. I highly recommend it. A lot of amenities. If you're looking for a fun getaway for a couple nights, this is the place to go. See you at the top. Here's something
John, the bright angel.
Hey, hey.
Have a good one.
You too. Something to consider is the mules. Back off. Morning. Made it to 1.5 mile house, and it's no joke. This hike is pretty intense. Almost there though. Keep on going. I decided to get one last ramen on the way up. This will warm me up and hopefully give the energy I need to get out of here, which is just right up there. All right, finally did it. That's quite the hike. It's a long trek up, but beautiful. I always say I'm never gonna do it again, but give me a week and I'll be ready to do it again. I'm calling the pavement the finish line. There's Coke Studio. Well, that's it. We made it. That was the Grand Canyon hike to Indian Garden. I'll put a packing list, put a link down there what you should take, and highly recommend it. See you on our next hike.